Now I'm gonna talk about the status bar and what we have done here and how they can help us to drawing. I briefly mentioned them previously, but this time I'm gonna go a little bit into detail and about how they work. So one of the first things that, again, assume I want to start a line, and but this time I want to draw it either. Assume all my drawing is made of the horizontal or vertical line. So to make it easy for myself, I can come here. Assume I want to draw the line from the 5 and 5. This is my start point, and then I want to draw some horizontal and vertical line, and I don't want to do any angle. So at the moment, if I bring my mouse anywhere, so it lets me to draw the slanted line, but assume this is not what I want to do. So if I come here, and this is the ortho mode, if I click on the ortho mode, it only lets me to draw the line in the horizontal and vertical format. So if I click on that, comes here, and this time again I start from the 5 and 5, and then it doesn't let me to do any angle. I can only go to the left or right or up and down, no angle. So basically 0, 100 degrees or 90 degrees or 90 degrees up or down. Doesn't let me to use any other angle. Now assume I want to draw the 50, and then press enter, and then again I can go horizontal, I can go vertically. So I can go vertically and type in 25, enter, and then I go back and I enter 25 and enter, and then I can click the close to close it and make the rectangle for me. So if you want to draw the lines that are going to be only horizontal or vertical, and you want to make sure they are horizontal vertical, you can turn on that ortho mode in order that helps you to draw the horizontal line and the vertical line. The next one, so unless usually we are not using it, we keep it off unless we actually need it. So turn it off unless you actually need to use that.